Kilalanin natin ang isko sa likod ng bawat tagumpay. Magandang araw! Ako si Abby Hamyas at ito ang UPTV Online Profile Student Edition. Ngayong araw, makakasama natin ang isang student leader, athlete at scholar mula sa School of Statistics. Sino siya? Panoorin natin ito. Si Stephen June Villejo ay isang natatanging estudyante mula sa School of Statistics. Sa kanyang 4 na taon sa universidad, ginugol ni Stephen ang kanyang oras sa pagsulong ng kaunlaran sa kanyang kolehiyo. Siya ay kasalukuyang miyembro ng EP Statistical Society at dating news editor ng kanilang publikasyon. Aktibo rin siya sa Student Council. Siya ang kumakatawan ng School of Statistics sa Assembly of Students' Rights and Welfare Heads at ang statistic representative to the University Student Council. Namuno rin si Stephen para sa kanilang iba't ibang proyekto tulad ng UP Fair, University Job Fair at Tatak Botante. Hindi rin nakakalimutan ni Stephen ang kanyang pagmamahal sa sining at musika at pagsasayaw. Siya ang pianista ng UP Stat Chorale at dating miyembro ng dance group ng kanyang kolehiyo. Hindi na nakapagtataka na nominado si Stephen para sa UP Diliman Gawad Chancellor para sa natatanging mag-aaral. Isang patunay sa Stephen June Villejo na sa simpleng dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa trabaho, malayo ang mararating. So magandang araw, Stephen. Thank you for joining us today. So kasalukuyan kang statistics representative with the University Student Council.
Yes.
So sa panahon ng panunungkulan mo, ano sa tingin mo ang pinaka nagawa mo para sa mga scholar ng bayan?
Siguro yung mga projects, yung mga recent successful projects ng USC, like the University Job Fair, and I have been very involved in that activity as one of the community heads. And of course, yung event natin next week, so from 12 to 16 yung UP Fair. So yun yung yun yung biggest and major projects na involved ako sa USC.
So, statistics major ka.
Yes.
Paano mo maire-relate ito sa pagiging student leader? Ang course mong statistics sa pagiging student leader?
Okay, so as a student leader kasi, you should be empirical, you should be unbiased, you should base your decisions and your thinking on empirical evidence or scientific evidence. Because instead, everything is supported by data, by an evidence before you make any conclusions or any decisions in your leadership.
So parang kailangang objective ka
Yes.
kapag isa kang leader na bawal kang maging subjective at may bias.
Yes.
So ngayon nga na may position ka sa University Student Council at I'm sure may mga advocacies ka tulad ng RH Bill, Freedom of Information Bill at Syntax Bill. Paano mo ito na ipapahayag? Paano mo ito pinopromote at sinusuportahan?
Of course, I have been, as a college representative, okay, I relay the idea and the campaigns in my school, School of Stat. Awareness, educating the people, and actively participating in the projects to really promote these fields or these campaigns.
Okay, so sinasabi nga na kapag ikaw ay isang leader, you should lead by example. Sa tingin mo, paano mo ina-apply ang leadership by example sa buhay mo?
Ayun, so I try to balance my life, yung academics ko, and yung extracurricular activities ko. So, kailangan as a student leader, I should excel in my academics because in the first place, I'm a student. And at the same time, I should be responsible to do my tasks as member of the student council.
Okay, so bukod sa pagiging aktibo sa student council, si Stephen ay naging abala rin sa sports. So sa ating pagbabalik, aalamin natin kung ano nga ba ang papel na ginagampanan ng sport sa kanyang buhay. Manatiling nakatutok dito sa UPTV Online Profile Student Edition. nagbabalik dito sa UP TV Online Profile Student Edition. Ako pa rin si Abby Hamyas at kasama natin si Stephen June Villejo, ang Statistics Representative to the University Student Council. Kanina tinalakay natin ang kanyang pagiging leader. So ngayon, mas tatalakayin natin ang isa pa niyang interes na medyo malayo sa pagiging leader at ito ay ang sports. So, ano ang naghikayat sa'yo sumali sa mga ilang bagong tatag na sports organizations tulad ng UP Floorball Club at Swimming Enthusiasts Association of UP? Alam naman natin na yung ibang estudyante, mas sumasali sila sa mas well-established orgs, pero ikaw, you choose to join these orgs. So what made you join them?
Actually, yung sa Floorball Club, I'm one of the pioneering members of the organization. So, kami yung first batch sa UP na nag-floorball. So, talagang na-enjoy ko yung sport that time. At parang yun yung outlet ko sa stress ko sa ACADS and sa organizations. At talagang sporty ako as a person. So, I joined the organization to promote the sport. And yung sa swimming naman, that's something that I discovered just last year, I guess, when I took up the PE na swimming. At talagang sobrang na-enjoy ko rin siya. Talagang, kasi it taught me how to push myself beyond my limits, how to endure, how to fight against yung distractions, how to be focused on your goals. Parang yun yung something na naturo sa akin ng mga sports na yun. So I stayed in the sport and I really became active in promoting the sport and to start these organizations.
So, i-relate natin ngayon ang sportsmanship sa iyong buhay. Paano mo hinaharap ang mga pagkatalo mo sa buhay at ang iyong mga pagkabigo?
Of course naman, that's part of life. Hindi naman puro successes, hindi naman puro victories. Sometimes may mga kabiguan because from those things you learn ano yung mga mistakes mo and you improve and you become a better person.
So, parang you have to do something. If you fail, hindi pwede na nagmumukmuk ka lang dyan. So, you have to learn from them. So, bukod sa sportsmanship, ano pa ang pinaka natutunan mo sa pagiging isang athlete?
Siguro how to be a team player. Because for you to succeed, you should work well with other people. And of course, dapat mabilis ka mag-isip how to strategize to achieve your goals as a team. And of course, discipline. Because for you to improve, you have to train.
So, siguro nakakatulong din ito sa pagiging leader mo since in USC, you are a team and you have to work with a lot of people.
Exactly.
So, ano ang strategy mo para magampanan ang lahat ng pinagkakaabalahan mo sa buhay, ang iyong ACADS, ang iyong pagiging student leader, at ang pagiging athlete?
That's something na sobrang hirap gawin for this year. How to balance your academics, your organizations, and your student council. And that's something I pray every day to my God. Na Lord, guide me and lead me. Give me the energy, sustain my energy na magawa ko lahat ng responsibilities at lahat ng commitments ko as a student.
So to wrap this all up, kung ikaw ay isang student leader at atleta at scholar sa UP, sino ka naman sa inyong bahay?
Sa bahay namin, ako yung, well, I'm an ordinary person sa bahay. May ate ako, siya yung parang leader ng bahay. May mga parents ako na sila yung tinitingnan ko, yung look up ko as my leaders. And I'm a follower, more of a follower sa family. And yun, I try to incorporate the values of a leader na natin sa bahay by helping my family, by involving and cooperating with yung mga plans natin sa family.
So, okay, that's it. Thank you for your views. Thank you for joining us today. Hindi ang pagwawagi sa kompetisyon ng eleksyon o sports ang batayan ng ating pagkatao. Pinatunayan ni Stephen na ang pagsasabuhay ng mga natutunan natin dito ang pinakamahalaga sa paghubog ng bawat tao. Ako si Abby Hamyas at ito ang UP TV Online Profile Student Edition.